Nothing says cozy comfort like a classic bowl of chicken noodle soup, except this one skips the chicken but keeps all the warmth and flavor. We begin with the flavor base: onions, carrots, celery, and garlic. I like to chop everything finely so it melts into the broth. To substitute the chicken, we're using jackfruit because it shreds like the real thing and takes on all the flavor you put into it. Just drain, rinse, and shred, leaving some pieces chunky for that authentic texture. Sauté the veggies in a little oil until everything smells amazing. In goes the poultry seasoning, turmeric for color, and the jackfruit. Sauté for a few minutes. I highly recommend using Better Than Bouillon vegetable paste. It makes a rich, flavorful, and incredible veggie broth. To deepen the flavor even more, we add a splash of soy sauce, plus salt and pepper to taste. Add fideos to the soup. These are thin, short-cut vermicelli that cook in minutes and soak up all the delicious flavors. Let it simmer until the noodles get plump, and boom! Your kitchen should smell amazing. It's cozy, herby, and savory. And the best part? It is ready in under 30 minutes. Check out the full recipe and details on nutsandtwigs.com.